Hello Gearspace, this is Giovanni here at Frap Tools, and I am introducing our new take on the sample and hold circuit, which is Bagài, that you will see used 2 times in this patch. The first Bagài is working at modulation rate. It consists of a clock and a sample and hold with a quantized output and several clock randomization options. So right now we have the unquantized sample and hold that is controlling brainsaw's frequency in a basic FM patch. Brainsaw is going into the Kunsa filter set to low pass gate sort of mode, non-resonant, triggered by some random clocks of the first Bagài. I can use the straight clock if I want, or I can use the clock randomized in more than mode, to have a richer and denser stream of impulses. And those features are already, they come from Sapel, for those of you who know it, but this time we also have a clock burst circuit that offers even more degrees of control over the clock randomization for some very crunchy and bubbly sounds. And the Kunsa filter is going into another Bagài because its sample and hold circuit can have a different clock, an alternative clock behavior that goes into audio rate, which means that if we patch the sample and hold output and set the clock to audio rate to its maximum speed, we can use it as a downsampler. But Bagài also features an 8-bit quantized random output that samples the internal noise, and we can choose the bit depth through this knob here. And you can hear that as I rotate the knob and as I reduce the bit depth, I will get only 2 values with 1 bit active. So I will start from 226 with 8-bit all the way down to 1. Only high and low. And if I use the bitcrush, the 8-bit circuit applied to audio sources, it will act as a bit crusher. And combine them together, it can become a very extreme audio processing. And the sample and hold by default works with internal noise that you can listen also here. Or here. But you can override it with any other signal. And so this is our take on the sample and hold concept and the way it can be applied to both audio and CV. And it is a basic expansion of some concept that we first developed on Sapel. And this is it for Bagài. I'm Giovanni from Frap Tools, and thank you for people at Gearspace.